So yes, I have applied some makeup under my eyes to exaggerate the dark under eye area, but ever since I got Luna and is up with her during the nights, I feel that my under eye area has gotten so much darker. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I do my makeup to cover it up and make me look more awake. What I like to start off my day with is to do my skincare routine and rinse off my face wash with some cold water. It feels so refreshing and it really helps me wake up in the morning. And the products I use are the face wash and toner from Nivea. And as for moisture, I use my ACC skin lotion, and as for my eye cream, I use the I Love Eye Contour Eye Cream Anti-Dark Circle and Poofiness. That's a long name with a lot of eyes in there. But anyways, the product is from Illusion and I feel like it's really working for me to tone down the darkness and poofiness. Another product that I have fallen in love with is the Maybelline Under Eye Eraser. So I start off by applying a more orangey toned concealer in the shade Neutralizer, since orange tones covers up bluish tones. And then after that I'm applying the Brightener, which is the concealer that takes down the orange to be more skin colored. I also apply the skin color concealer to any rednesses that I want to cover up. After that, I'm applying a little bit of my 3-in-1 foundation from L'Oreal to even out my skin tone and to mix the concealers with my natural skin. My natural skin, obviously, it's just my skin. I prime my lids with my Urban Decay Priming Potion before I set everything with a pressed powder. Another way to make you look more fresh and awake is to apply a little bit of color to your face by applying some contour and blush. I dust on some warm contour shades from Anastasia and applying it under my cheek and jawbones, along my hairline and on the sides of my nose. And as for blush, I use a deep pink blush from Isadora. After that, I gently fill in my brows using my Anastasia Brow Wiz in the shade Blondie. To create a soft, more natural makeup, I'm applying the same contour shades as I used on my face to the crease and along the lower lash line. Then to brighten up my eyes and make me look even more well-rested and awake, I'm applying a white cream makeup to the inner corner and blending it out towards the lid. Now I'm bringing out my Urban Decay Naked 3 palette and picking up the shade Trick, which is a gorgeous gold pink shadow, and I'm applying it to the lid. I also apply the shade Strange to the inner corner and onto my brow bone. Instead of using eyeliner, I'm applying the shade Black Heart from my Naked 3 palette with a super thin angled eyebrow brush actually, and I'm applying it as close as I can to my upper and lower lashes. Then I'm just curling my lashes and applying my favorite mascara up to my upper and lower lashes to finish off my eye makeup. However, I did go in with a white eyeliner to my tight line to open up my eyes even more, and I also applied some more white cream makeup to really cover up any signs of tiredness. As for lips, I'm applying my Baby Lips from Maybelline in the shade Hot Cocoa. It's super moisturizing, it gives me a little bit of color, and it smells like chocolate, so what is not to love? And then after that, the last step I like to do to set my makeup is to spray on some setting spray, and I'm using the one from Smashbox. It smells like citrus and it makes my face feel so refreshed, and yeah, it just makes me feel so amazing.